How to report account on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the search bar you see there and further go ahead and search for the account that you want to report. Once you have opened their profile, tap on the share icon on the top right of your screen and you will see the report option at the bottom. Tap on the report option and then tap on the report account option and go ahead and choose the most appropriate and accurate reason for why you are reporting that particular account. It could be spam, harassment, or etc. Once you have selected the most appropriate option for you, tap on the submit button and with this your report will go to TikTok's moderation team. You can also block them if the account is bothering you a lot. So this is how you can report account on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.